Good luck, have
Good
fun.
luck.
Hello. And who are you?
I'm Chloe Crawford.
And where are you from, Chloe?
I'm originally from Portsmouth and now I live in Vegas.
Oh, really?
Ooh.
Okay, and what are you doing in Vegas?
I'm a magician's assistant.
And now you want to be the magician.
Yeah, that's why I came back here.
Are you nervous?
I wasn't, and now I really am.
Well, listen, I hope this goes well, Chloe.
You too.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Simon, this one's for you.